Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics, then act fast. Verify the SSID and password because mistyped credentials are a common culprit. Once done, disable airplane mode and move closer to the router to rule out range issues. Restart the Chromebook now using the system menu or hold power for 10 seconds. Restarting clears transient driver and DHCP problems. This immediate reboot often restores connectivity because it forces a fresh network negotiation and reloads the Wi-Fi adapter. Once rebooted, go deeper to remove stale configurations. Forget the problematic network and re-add it to reset saved keys and IP assignments. If that fails, open the built-in diagnostics and system pages to check for DHCP, DNS, or driver errors. These logs tell you why association or authentication failed. Next, make sure Chrome OS is up to date. Updates include Wi-Fi driver fixes. Installing the latest system build can resolve firmware mismatches that prevent stable wireless connections. Now check the router. Power cycle the router and modem for 30 seconds to clear NAT and DHCP tables, because routers sometimes lock up and refuse new leases. If problems persist, test another network. Use a phone hotspot or switch frequency bands to see if the Chromebook can connect elsewhere, which isolates device versus network faults. Finally, consider a power wash factory reset only after backing up files, since that clears corrupt settings. If it still fails, contact the network admin. If it goes wrong, check MAC filtering on the router.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.